Italy's new citizenship law is facing backlash, especially from regions like Friuli Venezia Giulia, which have deep historic ties to migrant communities. The law risks cutting off descendants of Italian immigrants, like American Mark Riccardi, whose 4-year journey to reclaim his Italian roots was abruptly halted. Did you want to pursue the Italian citizenship?
So it probably goes back to my dad. My father never really knew his father, and he really didn't understand or have knowledge of his Italian citizenship or his Italian lineage, and it really upset him all his life. And so I saw that, and I wanted to get citizenship for myself and for my dad so that we could reconnect with the country that he always wanted to learn about but never knew because he didn't have that connection through his father and grandfather. It stopped it currently because I had a consulate case, and it was at the Chicago consulate, and just as the 2-year window closed on my application, the minor rule stopped it, and so I was rejected. And so I pivoted to a 1948 case, have all the documents together, and we were getting ready to submit to the court in Italy, and then the new decree came down, and we've had to stop everything because as it stands right now, they would not even take the case or see the case.
So what does it mean for you now?
It means right now that I can't form that bond that my father and I would like to have with our heritage and have a deeper understanding of our heritage and return to the country that my great-grandparents, his grandfather came from, grandparents.